muff that we used is for half muffled ringing, which means only one side of the clapper is muff, because the clapper swings and hits both sides of the bell. So on one stroke it's a clear note, and on the other stroke it's a dull note. That's what gives it the half muffled sound.
Peter is undoing the leather thongs up on the top, which hold the top of the muff on, and then there's a buckle on the bottom.
There we are.
So here we have the lightest bell, the treble, the wheel on here with a rope attached to it, which drops about 60 feet down into the ringing chamber, and the rope drops off this side of the wheel. Here we have the second bell, and again a rope attached to it, but that drops down over there, and the other bell there is the third bell, and the rope drops down on the right hand side of the wheel as you're looking at it. And the way they drop, when they're in the ringing chamber, all the ropes are in a circle. So this is the second bell, and as you can see, the bell swings gently, and it's left in a position that we call down, and this is number one for safety's sake, and secondly, when we had chimes working, the hammers used to hit on the outside of the bell here, but they were all removed when we had the bells restored in 2006. When we ring, we have to tip the bell upside down, so we keep pulling on the rope in the ringing chamber and keep swinging the bell until eventually the bell is upside down. And the thing that prevents it from keep ringing over and over and over is that this, which is called the stay, is obviously down this way, and it hits this piece of pivoted wood here, and the stay rests against the slider, and when we ring the bell back the other way, the stay comes round this side, picks up on the slider here, and it moves to the other side of the bell. And so we have two strokes, hand stroke and the back stroke. And we'll show you in the ringing chamber what the rope looks like in its motion. This is what we call the down position at the moment. That's really for health and safety reasons, but to ring the bell for services and other occasions, we have to tip the bell upside down. So we gradually pull on the rope, and the bell swings further and further and further until eventually the bell finishes upside down, and it is prevented from going through a full circle by this called the stay, which is resting on a slider. And that is in a position that we call the bell is stood. Then to ring, we pull on the rope, it pulls the wheel, and it goes right through 360 degrees, and the stay picks up the slider on the other side. And if need be, you can rest the bell in that position, but we don't, we just get to a point of balance, and then we pull on the rope, and the bell goes back the other way to the point of balance, and that's how we ring. We have 8 bells, the lightest being the treble, the heaviest the tenor, which is 2300 weight, and they follow in order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's called rounds. And then we progress to chord changes, which alters the sequence of the bells that gives it a more tuneful sound.